Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Baby. So my name is Siti Sahara binti Abdullah and my group member are consist of 4 people, which is Siti Nursinar, Nur Aini and Steven and me. So in this video we are going to present about all the data and informations that available on how solid waste and hazardous waste management are conducted in Indonesia. So first of all, I'm going to start with our introductory. So Indonesia is the world's largest archipelago and fourth most populous country. It has faced numerous challenges in solid waste and hazardous waste management. Despite the recent growth of environmental awareness and increasing investment in waste management infrastructure, there is still much to be done to ensure sustainable waste management practice. Next, solid waste management in Indonesia primarily revolves around landfills, incineration, and recycling. While there have been efforts to increase recycling rates, a lack of efficient infrastructure and financial incentive has hindered progress. Moreover, informal waste pickers often work in unsafe conditions, exacerbating health risks for themselves and their communities. And another challenge faced by Indonesia is the lack of public awareness about solid waste and hazardous waste management. The public is not well informed about the importance of proper waste management, which contribute to inadequate waste reduction, recycling, and disposal practice. Okay, next I'm going to continue with the significance of all the informations that we got. So Indonesia faces challenges in solid waste and hazardous waste management due to rapid urbanization and industrial growth. The country has made effort to improve waste management through regulation and initiative, but implementation varies across regions. Solid waste often end up in open dumps or informal disposal sites, contributing to environmental and health issues. Okay, next, evaluate the efficiency of the current waste management system. To assess the efficiency of the current waste management system, the performance of various stakeholders such as the government, waste collector, recycling centers, and disposal facility should be analyzed, and this can be achieved by measuring the following key indicators such as waste generation rate, recycling rate, proper waste disposal rates, and environmental impact. Next, identify areas of improvement and recommend appropriate solutions. The areas of improvement in the current waste management system may include improving waste segregations, enhancing public awareness and educations, optimizing the management of solid waste collections, transportation and processing, and ensuring the availability of environmental friendly technologies for waste disposal. Okay, finally, establish a system for monitoring and evaluations. To ensure the sustainability of waste management effort, a system for monitoring and evaluations should be established. This system should track the performance of waste management programs, and identify areas of improvement. By conducting regular assessment, stakeholders can adjust their strategies and actions to improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of waste management in Indonesia.
My registration number is 07DKA21F1066. So today I'm going to present my part, which is objective. And the objective of report writing on solid waste and hazard waste management are multifaceted. So we have 8 objective, which is the first one is comprehensive assessment. The second one is health and safety. The third one is technology and innovation. And the rest is cost effectiveness, waste reduction strategy, monitoring and reporting, waste characterization, and the last one is long-term planning. By addressing this objective in a report on solid waste and hazard waste management, one can contribute to informed decision making, policy development, and the implementation of sustainable waste management practice.
Methodology. Waste management is a critical aspect of environment, stewardship, and public health. Indonesia, as a diverse and rapidly developing nation, faces the challenge of effectively managing both soil and waste hazard waste. This introduce outline the methodology employed by Indonesia to address the waste management issue, emphasizing sustainable practice, regulator compliance, and international collaboration. Okay. Data sampling. This is the statistic of garbage pile in Indonesia from 2019 to 2022 according to data from SIPSN. The highest years of garbage pile is 2022, which is 32,000 tons. The lowest use of pile is 2022, which is 18,000 tons. In 2020, Indonesia managed to reduce this pile of garbage by 41.93% from the previous year. Waste management method. Solid waste management in Indonesia. Number 1 is waste generation assessment. Number 2 is source segregation and collection. Number 3 is recycle program. Number 4 is landfill management. Hazard waste management in Indonesia. Number 1 is classification and identification. Number 2 is storage facility. Number 3 is transportation guideline. Number 4 is treatment and disposal. Number 5 is training and personnel handling. Number 6 is international collaboration. Number 4 is emergency response and contingency plans.
For the related information in Indonesia about solid waste and hazardous waste management has three methods, which is disposal method, biological method, recycle method. Firstly, disposal methods are divided into two, namely field soils and incineration. Second is biological method. Biological method usually used for organic waste materials such as plants, food waste, and paper products that can be recycled by using the biological desiccation process to break down organic matters. And the last is recycle method. This method is used when solid waste materials cannot be disposed of, such as computers and electronic equipment. So we use reduction method, like using the waste of a used product. Second is repair damaged goods to avoid buying new product. And the last is designing a product that can be reused, like a bottle used as a home decoration.
So for the comparison of information, we have like three methods. The first one is disposal method. The second one is reprocessing. No, it's a biological reprocessing. The third one is recycling method. So these three methods have a different in terms of policy, management structure, achievement, and improvement. So for the disposal method in terms of policy, a common disposal method in terms of waste management policy. So for disposal method, we have like 9 policy, which is landfill regulation, incineration standard, recycling mandate, composting guideline, hazard waste management, and so on. So for the biological reprocessing, in terms of policy, the implementation and regulation of biological reprocessing are guided by various policy and standard. So there's 7 of key consideration, which is composting regulation, anaerobic digestion guideline, organic waste division target, regulation of biogas production, community composting program, research and development support, and waste hierarchy integration. So for in terms of policy recycling method, there are key consideration regarding recycling method in terms of policy. So for the recycling method, we have we have like a 9 policy, which is mandatory recycling program, single stream versus source separation, recycling collection infrastructure, extended producer responsibility, recycling facility standard, waste hierarchy integration, and so on lah. So for management structure for disposal method, waste disposal management structure encompass regulatory compliance, efficient collection, transportation, and specialized facility operation. This structure ensure organized waste handling aligned with an environmental sustainability goals and regulatory standard. So for management structure, biological reprocessing, biological reprocessing management structure oversee composting and anaerobic digestion operation. They ensure efficient organic waste conversion, contributing to sustainable practices and minimizing environmental impact aligned with the regulatory standard. And for the recycling method management structure coordinate collection, processing, and facility operation. They ensure effective waste diversion, technology implementation, and compliance with recycling regulation, fostering a circular economy and sustainable practices. And for the achievement, these three methods have various achievements. So, disposal method. Successful disposal method achievement involve efficient waste segregation, optimized landfill operation, and enhanced recycling process. And for the biological reprocessing achievement include successful composting and anaerobic digestion initiative by converting organic waste into valuable compost or biogas. And for the recycling method achievement involve the successful diversion of recyclables from landfills, reducing environment impact and conserving resource, robust collection system, innovative processing technology, and increased use of recycled materials. So for the improvement, for disposal method, the improvement that we can do is continuous improvement in waste disposal method include implementing efficient waste segregation, enhancing recycling technology, and optimizing transportation. So we continue. So for biological reprocessing method improvement entails refining composting and anaerobic digestion technique, enhance organic waste conversion, ensure increase resource recovery, reduce environmental impact, and align with sustainable practices. And the last one is improvement for recycling method. We can involve an advancement in collection system sorting, technology, and material processing innovations such as single stream recycling, improve sorting facility, and increase public awareness. So that's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, waste management is an important element of Indonesia's waste management system. Municipal waste management organization or commercial waste collection firms dispose of solid waste from residential, commercial, and industrial locations. The collected waste is then sent to landfills such as landfills or waste processing facilities. Some important considerations include the following. First is infrastructure. Second is involvement of the informal sector. Third is municipal solid waste management. And the last is concern regarding sustainability and the environment brought up by the dependence on landfill for waste disposal. Indonesian waste management system is being worked on to address this issue. This requires the creation of better infrastructure, encouragement of public engagement and awareness, and the implementation of advanced waste management technologies. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening, madam.